That is a big fish. Okay, so 12 o'clock, right in the middle of that pod. He's going to the left. You'll see a silhouette. You see that white thing on the bank?
Yeah.
He's lined up with that right now. There's a silhouette right there.
Yeah.
But
he's like super skinny.
yeah. And there's one. Look it to the left up there.
Yeah.
Under the tree. Under the tree.
Yeah, there's two.
There's two. The one's facing away from us, and that one. There's like 3 snook right there.
Yeah. What should I hit?
I'd cast way back there in that pocket and pull it towards it. Whoa. Let that sit. That was.
Oh. Bro, he spit it. He spit it. He came straight for it.
It's okay.
Fucking
Dude, he's still there. But I doubt he'll eat again. There's still another one to the right. See the one right here to the right a little bit? He's still back there. He actually circled around. He's in the same spot that he was when he ate the first one. Never fails. I doubt he'll eat again. That's a good one too. Okay, look at this one over here cruising the flat to the right.
Hold on, there's one right.
Snatch! Dude, nice. Nice, dude. That was sick. Sight fished his ass. Hit him with the swim bait real quick.
I can't believe he was actually trying to eat.
Yeah, after spooking him.
That was the less big one. The other one's right under that tree.
Dude, that's a good fish. That's awesome, dude. Guess what? I got it on video.
There he goes. Look at him. Look at him. There he goes.
Yeah.
You know, just DOA. Dead on arrival, baby.
Let's see if I can make any for you. Alright.
Oh, bro. Look at that fish.
Not a bad sight fish snook, buddy.
It's a good fish right there, bud. Thanks for the push.
Now you get to fish me.
Yep. That was so dope. Did you see him actually turn?
Yeah.
That was so sick.
I don't know if the GoPro got it, but I mean, I know I got you cast the catch, so that's
Sick.
still
I didn't
pretty
even know
good.
you had that thing on.
Yeah.
I had to let him eat it that time. First one I missed. That's a nice fish, bro.
Want to pick?
Yeah.